Scroll and tap to select your favorite lesson. Lesson. Have you ever seen any of these before? Do you know what these are? These are printers. A printer is an electronic device. Have you ever seen a printer before? Do you know what it is used for? It is used for printing documents. Printers can be found in schools and homes. Have you ever used a printer before? Let's get to the lab so Kojo can help us use a printer to print out our documents. Click on the next button to continue. Hello, I am Kojo. Welcome to the lab. Are you ready for the printer experiment? This is an experiment to help us learn how to use a printer. Do you remember Ezzy said a printer is an electronic device used for printing documents? Let us use this experiment to try that out. Isn't this exciting? We are going to type our document and then print it out. Click on the start button and let us begin. Look at these pictures. Do they look familiar? Yes, this is a computer and a printer. We will use them to type and print our document. Tap on the monitor and type anything you want. When you are done, click on the print button and start printing. Super! We just printed our document. Isn't this amazing? Click on the next button to continue. Hooray! Can you see your printed documents? You are so good. Keep it up. If you want to print more documents, click on the reprint button. If you don't want to print again, click on the continue button.